Let's do another probability problem using Rguroo. Suppose that for 132 shoppers making a purchase at a clothing store, the total each shopper will spend follows a normal distribution with a mean of $234 and a standard deviation of $94. What is the probability that the next purchase will be between $100 and $150? So as I'm reading over this, I notice that I get one big context clue that this situation follows a normal distribution. So that helps focus me in on how I'm going to solve this. Typically, after something like a normal distribution is shared, they'll follow that up with the mean of 234. I'll note that below. And also they'll give you a standard deviation. And we're fortunate they did. It's $94. Now, the probability question we're going to address, now that we know the distribution, the mean, the standard deviation, is what's the likelihood that the purchase total will be between $100 and $150? So then I just kind of catalog that as well below, extracting the information from the word problem, have it next to me, and I'm going to head to Rguroo to actually get the probability for this. So here we are in Rguroo. I'm going to come over here to the probability simulation pane, open it up. I can find the drop-down menu for my choices, choose probability calculator, and continuous. So we're going to make sure the choice of values to probability is chosen. It is the default. So I'm going to hand it values that my random variable can take on, and Rguroo is going to provide me with a probability. The distribution it's using is normal. That is default as well. There's lots of other choices if you want to explore that. Now we tell it the mean of $234 and the standard deviation of 94. Then we want to share with it the value of the random variable. That'll go on this next line here. So we're going to choose, let's see, we have choices below, above, between, outside. Between is our choice. And then we give it the $100 and $150. I'm going to choose a graph. I've got everything set up, and now my probability will appear in this output. So here we have the probability that our random variable x is between 100 and 150 is equal to 0.1088. So that's about almost an 11% chance that the total for the bill would be between $100 and $150. We can see here, there it is. You can see our curve here. This is the probability I'm seeking out. It's this yellow, sort of tall yellow region here. And it's about 11% of the curve being shaded there out of, what would be considered 100% underneath the model. So yeah, there's a 10.88% chance the total for the next purchase would be between $100 and $150.